children. Hi, Elsa. I'm Moon. Nice to meet you. Today we're going to talk about one occupations. Do you know what is the occupations? You're right, that's a scientist. Actually, there's different types of scientists in this world. Let me show you some examples. First, we have zoologists. Zoologists study about animals and animals' life. Next, we have economists. Economists will study about economy. Third, we have geologists. Geologists will study about history in the earth. Fourth, we have botanists. Botanists will study about plants. Last, we have teacher scientists. Teacher scientists will introduce science knowledge to the children and adults. So, today I'm be the teacher scientist. So, today I'm going to introduce you an interesting experiment. Children, have you heard about eruption volcano? Let me show you. Be reminded, this experiment have to done under parents' guidance. Children, do not do it yourself. Are you ready? Let's start!
The ingredient that we need for our eruption volcano will be dish soap, water, baking soda, vinegar, paper cups, scissors and tapes, food coloring, a pair of gloves, stirring stick, some clay, recycled paper, and a tray. First, get a paper cup. Then roll the papers into balls. Remember that we need fused paper balls. After that, tape the paper balls around the paper cup. Next, use clay to model the shapes of your volcano. Let's start to do for our eruption volcano. First, put on your glove before you start. Then, place your volcano on the tray. After that, pour your baking soda into your volcano. After that, pour the water into the volcano and stir it. Next, pour the dish soap into the volcano and stir it. After that, pour few drops of food coloring into the volcano and stir it. Then, get ready for your volcano to cause an eruption. Pour the vinegar into the volcano. Then the volcano starts to erupt. Do you know the science experiment brings benefit to children? That is the answer.
So children, do you have fun with your eruption volcano? That's great! How about you, Elsa? Do you have understand more about the occupation scientist? That's great. Now you can proceed to your next journey now. See you guys. Goodbye.